So here comes a wonderful Excel feature bug or whatever. Here we have some data, years there, and then some values there. Let's make a plot. So insert a plot, let's make it a scatter plot, and boom, there we have the plot. And as you clearly see here, the values are 50, 60 something, and the plot says 5, 6 something. Okay, so what is this? Well, for some reason, if you make a complicated equation, Excel seems to get totally confused. So this is an indirect thing, an average and what have you. And Excel goes crazy. So let's double click on this one. So we go into the format axis. Let's take away the axis options there and let's look at number. For some reason, Excel choose custom and then type 0.0. I have no idea why that is. So if you here instead choose number, boom, you have the right thing.